touch me, I scream.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And today I'm going to be pretending I know how to I know how to do things such as make a smoothie. My entire Pinterest feed has been full of avocado smoothie, avocado smoothie, and I make like avocado toast, avocado, like different spreads. I use avocado for a lot of different things, and since I saw on Pinterest that they're having like a lot of different things of avocado in smoothies, I really wanted to try one. So I got all the ingredients that were already in my house since I'm stuck in quarantine and cannot leave it, according to my parents. All of the recipes I saw were like different ones, so I kind of like combined two, and I'll put the links for those in the description. But one had like nut butter, so I'm using almond butter. They had vanilla almond milk, but I only have original, so hopefully it still tastes good. Spinach and banana. Those were really like the common ingredients in most of the avocado smoothies I've seen, so that's what we're gonna use today. So for starters, I'm gonna wash my hands. Very importante. So most recipes call for half of an avocado. So it's so odd because usually I feel like an avocado smoothie is probably something I would have for breakfast or like brunch or maybe even lunch at latest. It's currently 1 o'clock in the morning. Ta-da! So now I'm actually going to use the side that doesn't have the pit in it, and we're going to save that. Put this into my smoothie cup. You did not see that. Next, we're going to add a cup of almond milk. And I have to get more. Yum. I think that's a cup. Okay. Now I'm just going to cut this up. I'm going to cut up the banana. And I'm gonna add an ice cube because it actually called for a frozen banana, but I didn't freeze it because I wasn't thinking. So it's one of the recipes said that you can use a fresh banana and just add ice. I almost forgot about the almond butter. Now here comes the part that I'm really scared of, is the blending and then taste testing. Okay, it smells so good, but now I'm gonna add cinnamon to it. Wait, should I put it in a pretty cup? That looks so good to me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait. Now I gotta top it with cinnamon. Oh, now that I made this smoothie, I'm gonna test it. And I think that's the thing that I'm most scared of, because though I love avocado, like I said, I'm really not picturing it in a smoothie. Which doesn't make sense because I put it in a spread all the time. So you'd think I'd understand. But like for some reason, my brain is not comprehending how this is gonna taste. And I'm wondering what's gonna overpower. And since I didn't use vanilla milk, I'm worried, is it gonna taste like sweet or tart? So here we go. And I topped it with cinnamon, and I accidentally put too much, but who cares? I'm actually so stressed. Oh my god. Harley, I wish you could try this. It tastes so good. Oh my god. Take it away. If you like avocados and spinach like I do, because I love spinach, oh my god, that tastes so good. I'm literally gonna use this and make some more tomorrow. I don't know if I kind of taste the almond butter, but then again, I can't really tell if it even made much of a difference because I don't know how much, if I added a lot, but.
This is the only shirt I've seen. There you go.
You're still so tall.
Fucking emo. Avocado?
I swear, try it. Okay, I know you don't like avocado, but can you squat down? I know you don't like avocado, but I swear you have to try this. You will like it. I hate guacamole.
Dang,
Try
that's really good. Low key.
Try it.
I might drink this every morning.
Try it. Ricky, I swear it doesn't taste bad. Even if
Why does it look like
it said
that,
even
bro?
people that don't like avocados would like it. Because that's
Why
cinnamon.
does it
That's
look like?
cinnamon.
No, it looks like big.
Yeah, because it's a smoothie. Your smoothies are liquid.
Nah, they're solid.
Shut up. Please just try it. Tell me it doesn't
What
taste
am I
good.
supposed to eat or drink? Taste? What's
You
it?
don't taste it?
It tastes like banana, bro.
There's banana in it.
You're scaring me, bro. What you put in there?
An avocado.
I will smack that ass in here, bro. I hate avocados.
It's
Bro.
my baby.
Let me get the final.
Alright,
What
in your
goes?
review. In your review.
Hold on.
Your review. Alright, and now tell
It's
my
so weird that you want to drink it again.
exactly, because it tastes good.
No,
That's
it
how
doesn't. It doesn't taste like. Alright, we're going from 1 out of 10, right?
1 through 10, yeah.
I give it a solid 3 out of 10. Must not try. Not recommended. I give it a 1 out of 10. Don't not just playing. Actually, maybe a 7 out of 10. 6.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
I give it a 6 out of 10.
So this is gonna conclude the video. I really hope you guys liked it, even though I barely talked or anything. I'm gonna put the 2 different recipes in the description, and I'm gonna put the recipe that I basically used in the description, like the one that I created myself, and I'll put it right here as well. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. And I will see you guys whenever I post again. Bye.